Hey guys, my name is Luke from Bamboo Plots, and today's video marks the beginning of our new mini-series, Getting Started with Farming, where we will walk you through every step from start to finish towards your own Chia farm. In this video, I will cover the basics of farming and give you an overview of the different aspects that go into it. Let's get into it. Before diving into farming, if you are looking for a short general explanation of Chia, check out our last video. What even is Chia farming? As you probably already know, Chia is all about proof of space and time. Naturally, farming has a lot to do with providing storage to the network. To be more precise, farming describes the process of providing storage space to the Chia network by storing so-called plots and keeping them online at all times while being rewarded in forms of Chia Coins. All active plots are constantly participating in a network-wide raffle where every plot has the same chance of winning 2 coins every 18.75 seconds. The winning plot forms a so-called block and proves the entire blockchain is working correctly. This reward mechanism incentivizes and rewards the farmers for the work they are doing because they are an essential part of the Chia ecosystem, as they are the ones bringing new coins into circulation and improving the blockchain. To put it short and simple, without farmers, there is no Chia. What do you need to farm Chia? To get started, a farmer has to install the Chia software on their computer, which we will link in the description of this video below for you to check out. And you use it in a combination with so-called plots to begin farming. After the download, the software will link with the Chia blockchain, which can take up a few hours, so let's be patient, guys. Once the synchronization is completed, you can start farming your plots. These plots have a size of approximately 108.8 gigabytes, and they are the result of a labor-intensive plotting process. Because plotting requires a lot of computing power and expertise, we made it our mission to produce plots at scale. So visit our website and skip this labor-intensive step to directly begin farming and harvesting Chia coins by simply buying plots made specifically for you. Every plot that enters your Chia farm must be created using your own personal keys. Otherwise, the rewards will not belong to you. These keys can be found through simple commands in the Chia software. Do not, I repeat, do not share your private keys and do not buy from plot sellers who do not ask for the 2 keys I mentioned or who ask for your private keys. Besides the Chia software and plots, you need an appropriate hardware setup to kickstart your Chia farm. So let me give you a brief list including everything you need to set up basic farm. You obviously need a computer on which Chia can be farmed in the background. This could be your regular computer or a dedicated machine just for Chia. We recommend using a desktop because it is rather difficult to move around with a laptop connected to a bunch of hard drives via USB. Further, you need external hard disk, preferably hard disk drive, in short HDDs. The larger, the better. A popular size amount farming beginners is 18 terabytes. With this setup, you are ready to begin farming your plots. This setup can be scaled up. If you decide to expand your farming activities, we will cover this topic in a future video as well. I hope this first video of our mini-series helped you gain more insights into how Chia and especially Chia farming works for you. To learn more about Chia, stay tuned for the next videos as we will begin to further dive deep into the topics mentioned in this video in the following days and weeks. Also, do not forget, as always, to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. That is all for this episode. See you guys soon and happy farming.